ko sa inyo na isang palasite meteorite. Yan. With olivine. Ang olivine po yan. Yung mga kulay dilaw na yan. Yan. Olivine crystal po yan. Yan mga idol. Olivine crystal po yan. Ayan.
Because they are more resistant and contain important clues about the core of ancient asteroids. Finally, we have the stony iron meteorites, also known as mixed meteorites. As the name suggests, they combine characteristics of both previous types, showing rocky structures alongside visible metallic inclusions. This combination makes them visually distinct and even more fascinating for those who are learning how to recognize meteorites in the field. These three main groups form the foundation for identifying what kind of meteorite you might have found.
Ito mga idol, ang aking mga koleksyon na meteorite. Yan.
Most people think, and you're familiar with the main types that can be